Collegiate English. We all know that Kerala PSC's collegiate exam for the post of assistant professor is the most coveted job in the state. So in this video, we would be seeing the syllabus for descriptive examination. So I have arranged the slides not in the order that is given in the usual syllabus PDF, but I have arranged it as detailed and non-detailed study, and also criticism followed by cultural studies. So in that way we would be seeing the topics. For your convenience, maybe we'll read it out once, then we would analyze what are the things, how to expect questions, and how to study and all. So let us straight away proceed into it. So for detailed study, we have John Donne's Batter My Heart, Canonization, Milton's Lycidas, Paradise Lost, Book 9, Dryden's Macflecknoe, Thomas Gray's Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard, William Shakespeare's Twelfth Night, Hamlet, Sonnet number 18, 30 and 116, Alexander Pope's Rape of the Lock, Christopher Marlowe's Dr. Faustus, Francis Bacon's Of Books of Marriage and Single Life, of Truth. So these three essays. Jonathan Swift's The Battle of Books, Robert Burns' A Red Red Rose, William Blake's The Tiger and the Lamb. Also, William Wordsworth's Ode, Intimation of Immortality from Recollections of Early Childhood, Samuel Johnson's Kubla Khan, John Keats' Ode to a Nightingale, P.B. Shelley's Ode to the West Wind, Lord Byron's The Prison of Chillon, Lord Tennyson's Ulysses and Lotus Eaters, Matthew Arnold's The Scholar Gypsy and the Dover Beach, Robert Browning's Andrea del Sarto, G.M. Hopkins' The Pied Beauty, Thomas De Quincey's On Knocking at the Gate in Macbeth, Charles Lamb's Oxford in Vacation, also Dream Children, Oscar Wilde's The Importance of Being Earnest. Also, we have Victorian and modern writers like W.B. Yeats' Second Coming and Sailing to Byzantium, T.S. Eliot's The Wasteland, W.H. Auden's In Memory of W.B. Yeats, Dylan Thomas's poem In October, Sylvia Plath's Daddy, Philip Larkin's Church-Going, Carol Ann Duffy's Anne Hathaway, Ted Hughes' Thought Fox, Tom Gunn On the Move, G.B. Shaw's Pygmalion, T.S. Eliot's Murder in the Cathedral, J.M. Synge's Playboy of the Western World, Samuel Beckett's Waiting for Godot, Harold Pinter's The Birthday Party, T.S. Eliot's Tradition and Individual Talent, Virginia Woolf's Modern Fiction. Coming to Indian writing, we have Rabindranath Tagore's poems from Geetanjali 1 to 20, Sri Aurobindo's The Trance of Waiting, Sarojini Naidu's Coromandel Fishes, Kamala Das's My Grandmother's House and Freaks, Nizam Ezekiel's Background Casually, and A.K. Ramanujan's A River and the Striders, Girish Karnad's Nagamandala, Manjula Padmanabhan's Harvest, Mahesh Dattani's Dance Like a Man, S.N. Dasgupta's The Theory of Rasa, Kunyuni Raja, The Theory of Dhwani. Coming to the American writers, Walt Whitman's Out of the Cradle Endlessly Rocking, Emily Dickinson's I Felt a Funeral, Robert Frost's Home Burial, Wallace Stevens' Sunday Morning, Edgar Allan Poe's Raven, Maya Angelou's Phenomenal Woman, Eugene O'Neill's Emperor Jones, Tennessee Williams' The Glass Menagerie. So by covering all these, we would be covering the detailed portions. Now coming to the non-detailed sections that are prescribed. We have Beowulf, ballads, and ballads like Sir Patrick Spence's Chevy Chase. These two are ballads. Beowulf is the entire work. And Geoffrey Chaucer's Prologue to the Canterbury Tales, Thomas Kidd's The Spanish Tragedy, Edmund Spenser's Epithalamion, Andrew Marvell's To His Coy Mistress, Richard Sheridan's The School for Scandal, Sir Thomas More's Utopia. It's given Henry Fielding's Pamela, but then it is Samuel Richardson's Pamela, Daniel Defoe's Robinson Crusoe. Also, we have work by other writers like William Wordsworth's Preface to the Lyrical Ballads, Aulada Equivanos' The Interesting Narrative, Chapter 4 and 5, P.B. Shelley's The Cenci, Mary Shelley's Frankenstein, Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights, Charles Dickens's Oliver Twist, Thomas Hardy's Tess of D'Urbervilles, Jane Austen's Mansfield Park, and Walter Scott's Ivanhoe. We also have writers like F.R. Lewis's The Great Tradition, Joseph Conrad's The Heart of Darkness, Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dalloway, James Joyce's A Portrait of Artist as a Young Man, George Orwell's 1984, John Fowles' The French Lieutenant's Woman, Angela Carter's The Night at the Circus, Carol Churchill, Top Girls. We have Indian writers like Vijay Tendulkar, The Court is in Session, Mulkraj Anand's The Untouchable, Raja Rao's The Serpent and the Rope, Anita Desai's Clear Light of Day, R.K. Narayan's Malgudi Days, Salman Rushdie's Midnight's Children, Arundhati Roy's The God of Small Things, Aravind Adiga's The White Tiger, A.K. Ramanujam's Is There an Indian Way of Thinking, an Informal Essay. Coming to the American writers, Emerson's Self-Reliance, Thoreau's Civil Disobedience, Arthur Miller's Death of a Salesman, E. Cummings' Buffalo Hills, Allen Ginsberg, America, Gertrude Strain's Daughter, Hawthorne's The Scarlet Letter, Herman Melville's Moby Dick, Hemingway's The Old Man and the Sea, Toni Morrison's The Bluest Eye. So with these, the non-detailed part is over. Now coming to the structure of English language and linguistics. We have to focus on Indo-European family of languages, Old English, Middle English, Modern English, phonetics and phonology, general phonetics, phonetic transcription, stress intonation, morphology, traditional grammar and modern grammar, form class words, function class words, fallacies, saussure, structuralism syntax, PS grammar, TG grammar, deep structure, surface structure, Chomsky's trace theory, case grammar, systematic stratification and tag mimics, semantics, lexical semantics, metaphor, figures of speech, linguistics, psycholinguistics, and sociolinguistics. Coming to English language teaching, we have concepts like key concepts in ELT, ESL, EFL, mother tongue interference, methods of teaching, grammar translation method, direct method, audio-visual method, suggestopedia, community language learning, learning theories like behaviorism, cognitivism, constructivism, learner factors, teaching aids, ICT types of tests, tools of evaluation, error analysis and remedial teaching. Coming to literary criticism, we have both classical criticism and also modern criticism. So classical criticism, some of them are Aristotle's Poetics, Philip Sidney's An Apology for Poetry, Samuel Coleridge's Biography of Literature, Chapter 14, Virginia Woolf's A Room of One's Own, T.S. Eliot's Tradition and Individual Talent, Northrop Frye's Archetypes of Literature, Cleanth Brooks' The Language of Paradox, Edmund Wilson's Marxism and Literature, Elaine Showalter's Feminist Criticism in the Wilderness. Also we have Jacques Derrida's Difference, Karl Marx's The Fetishism of Commodities and the Secret Thereof, Sigmund Freud's The Conscious and the Unconscious, Id and Ego, Ego and Superego, Beyond the Pleasure Principles and Other Writing. We have Habermas's Modernity and Incomplete Project, Raymond Williams' Tradition, Institution, Formations. We have Stephen Greenblatt's Shakespeare and the Exorcists. Michael Foucault, 2 lectures from Power and Knowledge, The Unities of Discourse, from Archaeology of Knowledge and Discourse on Language. Edward Said's Introduction to Orientalism, Helen Sixou's The Laugh of Medusa, and Eve Sedgwick's Epistemology of the Closet. We have yet another topic, that is cultural studies. We all know that cultural studies is included in the NTA UGC NET syllabus also. So some of the prescribed chapters are Theodore W. Adorno's Culture Industry Reconsidered, Stuart Hall's Encoding and Decoding from Culture, Media and Language, Laura Mulvey's Visual Pleasure and Narrative Cinema, Judith Butler's Subject of Sex, Gender or Desire, from Gender Trouble. And then it is given in the note that we should not ignore this. The candidates are expected to have a comprehensive knowledge of recent trends relating to post-colonialism, eco-criticism, new historicism, queer theory, trauma studies, new feminism, cultural studies, diaspora writing, public sphere, meta-narratives, hyperreality and simulacra. So what are the insights or inferences we can get from these syllabus? One thing is that you have to work really hard if you have to crack this, because the syllabus is really vast and the pattern of exam is changed from objective to descriptive. It is clearly mentioned in the syllabus that the exam is going to be of descriptive level exam. So we have to focus on the writing, the style, Also, you should avoid grammatical mistakes. So the thing that we can analyze from this syllabus is that there are 14 modules, and for detailed study more or less 58 to 60 works are prescribed. For non-detailed study we have 45, approximately 45 works that we have to study. And what can we expect? What sort of questions can we expect? We can expect short answers, maybe 2 mark questions. We can expect paragraph questions. We can expect annotations from the detailed study, the portions prescribed for detailed study, and essays can be expected. Essays that might have the critical themes, the questions related to critical themes. For example, analyze feminism in The Phenomenal Woman by Maya Angelou, questions like that. And we also have linguistics and the ELT methods and all the stuff. We have criticism that comprises of both the classical and modern. We have cultural studies. So friends, stay tuned to this channel. In this course that's entitled PSC Collegiate English, we would be trying to cover almost all the portions. Now we have just started, so by some time we would be able to cover the entire portions. And because of this coronavirus and all, we cannot say when the government might be conducting the examinations. So I hope we will have enough time to cover the entire portion and revise. Maybe after completing these portions I shall try to put some questions so that you can be benefited. Thank you so much friends. Keep learning.